Do you want to get a lot of traffic and make a lot of money with CPA marketing even as a beginner? If yes, right here I'm going to just simply show you a very simple strategy you can go on to using, and I'm also going to go on to showing you how you can actually go on to generating some cool and amazing content you can actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers. And that's actually going to be an amazing one. Stick until the end of this video, watch this video, utilize this strategy and go on to making money online. And if you're new to my channels, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, how to make money online. If you do like such content, make sure you do scroll through my channel and check out some videos that could actually be helpful to you in boosting your income online. And guys, also subscribe to the channel and make sure notification bell is turned on all so that I do alert you whenever I release some cool and amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making money online. So jumping right back into the video, first of all, you want to make sure you do go into CPA Grip right here and actually go into creating an account. So if I come on to CPA Grip and actually create an account right now, all you actually need to do is to come right here, click on register, fill out the form which will be shown appropriately and get your account created. Once you do get your account created, go on to login into your account. As you can see right now guys, I'm logged back into my account, and what you want to do is to come right here, select the monetization tools, select URL file locker and actually go on to lock in valuable content in a URL file locker right now. To log that, you want to just simply click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you can actually go on to creating your URL file locker. You could focus on any niche of your choice, select content to that particular niche and log that in this section. And guys, to get a cool ebook which you may want to just simply go on to lock in your URL file locker, you can actually utilize this platform called the pdfdrive.com. and if you do come right here, you could focus on any niche of your choice and get free PDFs which you could go on to promoting. And supposing I want to just simply search for ebooks on the motivational niche or self-improvement. So if I do search for self-improvement right now, I will be able to see ebooks right now on that particular niche. So you could take a look at this ebook right here, which is the self-improvement, the top 101 experts that helps us improve our lives. So I'm gonna go simply click on download. Once you do click on that download icon right here, you could see right now that in a matter of some seconds, that particular ebook will be downloaded on your device, and you can actually then go on to utilizing that ebook. So if I do click on go to PDF right now, I can actually download the ebook on my device right here. So guys, once that ebook has been downloaded, you then want to head on to a platform such as this, which is actually the Google Drive. Upload that ebook on Google Drive by clicking on plus, click on upload and file upload, and select that particular ebook from your device to upload that on this platform. Once the ebook has actually been uploaded, you can actually do come right here. Maybe supposing this is the ebook, I'm going to click on these three dots, actually do click on share, and actually click on share once more. I'm going to copy in the link to that particular ebook via the pop-up which will be shown to me right now. So you want to make sure that this general access is on actually anyone with the link. Copy the link right now and actually go on to lock in that in your URL file locker right here, and edit other sections of this locker based on your preference. So once you do paste that, edit other sections based on your preference, and once you're done, click on save and your URL file locker will be created. So once you're done with that guys, supposing this is the locker, I'm going to click on get link, copy the link to the locker and actually use that to actually go on to getting traffic to that URL file locker. But to get traffic to that, we're actually going to be using a very unique strategy by actually going on to YouTube, and if you do search for the motivational speech or improvement speech and just focusing on Will Smith right there, motivational speech, and you can actually do see lots of videos right now about that. What I'm going to do is to actually get a video that is about 10 minutes long, and this video actually fits into that category. You can just simply right click on the video and actually copy the link address to this video. Once you do that, head on to this platform called the opus.pro. As this is actually an amazing platform you could go on to utilizing to repurposing a long video into 10 viral clips, and you can actually create videos 10 times faster with the help of this particular AI tool. All you actually need to do is to come right here, drop the link to that particular video, and actually go on to converting that video into 10 viral clips. And you can actually do come and see that this particular platform is not a free one, but you do actually get a free trial If you come right here, click on pricing, you will be able to get onto this section where you can see more about the pricing details of this particular tool right here. But guys, you do actually have about 60 minutes of video upload right now if you do sign up for absolutely free. So you can actually do sign up for free and utilize that to your preference. So as you can see right now guys, I'm actually logged into my account right here, and I actually do have about 1 hour 30 minutes of video upload right now, which I can actually do go on to using. You can see right here that all you need to do is to drop the link to that particular YouTube video right here. It actually has to be a YouTube video to go on to getting your 10 viral clips, and this is actually advisable you do go on to using video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product review videos, and motivational speeches. But this is actually not going to work for vlog, gaming videos, and music videos. So just simply going to utilizing this right now. If I do paste in that particular link right here, you can see it's analyzing that link and it's going to show me that particular video. You can see this video right now. This is the exact same video right now. So once you actually do that, go on to clicking on get clip in one click. So basically once you do that guys, and you wait for that particular page to load up, it's going to analyze that and actually go on to shortening that particular video into about 10 viral clips. And you can see right here that I actually have 10 viral clips from that one long video right now. If I do keep on scrolling, you can see it had got me about 10 viral clips. Some clips are actually, or some videos will actually give you up to about 12-13 viral clips, but this one gave me 10 right now. You can see it actually has a title for each clip right there. This one is actually unlocking happiness, embrace self-discipline for self-love and success. You can actually do see this particular video has a score of 65, and the score right here actually indicates the likelihood that that video is actually going to go viral on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see each video having a different score right now, and the videos actually at the top are the ones having the highest score right there. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to downloading this particular video on your device. If I do click on download right now, the video will actually be downloaded on my device. As you can see, the downloading process is actually in progress. So once the video has actually been downloaded on my device, the next thing which you want to do is to actually head on to this platform right here called canva.com. And if you do head on to Canva, all you need to do is to actually do come right here and search for YouTube Shorts. Or you can actually come right here, click on this particular video icon. If you do click on video right there, you'll be able to see the portrait section right now in this particular section, or the mobile video. If you do select the mobile video right now, you will be taken to a page where you can actually go on to editing your video. So guys, I'm just going to come right here to this upload section and actually do go on to clicking on videos, and I'm going to go on to uploading that particular video. You could just simply click on this video icon or this upload file and actually select the video from your device to go on to uploading that on this particular platform called canva.com. So if I do have the video already uploaded, supposing this is the video, I'm going to click on that right now. That has actually been added. As you can see right now, I'm going to stretch this to this section to actually go on to filling out this entire section of this. So once I do add that right now, I'm going to go to the element section to actually go on to adding a simple shape. So I'm going to add in this particular shape right now. If I do go on to dragging that to the top section right here, I'm just going to go on to maybe dragging this right here to fill out this section. I can then head back to this text and actually add in a header text. For that header text, you want to type in something like link to free ebook in description. And once you do put in something like this right here, this particular content is actually going to show throughout the entirety of the video. So once you actually do put in something like this right here, you want to just simply click on share and actually go on to downloading this video on your device. So once you actually download this video right now on your device by clicking on download, the video downloading process would actually begin. All you need to do next is to actually head on to platforms like YouTube, as you can actually do go on to uploading that on YouTube. But if you do take a look at this right here, YouTube Shorts actually do get lots of engagement, and that video right there is kind of a YouTube Short, which if you actually go on to uploading, you'll be getting some cool engagement right now. You can see this particular YouTube Short got about 9.3 million views in 13 days. This one got 42 million views in 2 months. This one got 1.1 million views in just 4 days, and the list keeps going on and on. YouTube Shorts gets lots and lots of engagement, so take a good use of that to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer. So if you actually do put in a content such as that right there, upload that on YouTube right now, and make sure guys that the link to that your URL file locker is available to your audience in the description of that particular video, because you already have a call to action right here directing people to the link in the description of your video. So if they watch the video, they will actually go on to getting the free ebook in the description of the video, but they actually have to go through your URL file locker first, and in doing so you actually do go on to making some cool affiliate commission. You could also go on to using other platforms like Instagram right here to drive traffic to that. You could actually do go on to pasting in the link in the bio of your account, and actually do put in a cool call to action telling them to check the link in the bio of your account for a giveaway or for an ebook. And if you do insert that into that video, upload that, you can actually do go on to getting traffic. You could use TikTok right here for this exact same strategy and go on to making money online. So these are actually very cool and an amazing strategy you want to just simply take advantage of and make money with CPA marketing. And the cool thing about this is that you actually do get a lot more amount of videos right here, about 9 more videos you can actually go on to using to upload, and actually do follow the same strategy and upload that every single day. So the more you actually upload, the more your chances of getting better conversions to your CPA marketing offer and make a lot of money. And if this video was helpful, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.